my billionaire family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this gele. I'm so sorry that my hand is covering you. I back baby Joshua at my back. No one I can drop him for, so I have to back him. Sorry about that, guys. So now we're extending the hand of the plate. The ratio for the gele is 70-30. One hand has to be longer than the other hand. I'm so tired when me tying this gele, guys. I'm so tired, like seriously tired. I just have to make the video for you guys. You know now. So the next thing I'm doing now, bringing the hand back to the front like so. Then start creating plates. But before then, I will use office pin to hold it down at the front there. You know I sweat a lot, as usual. So look at the way I'm packing my gele. I want to try to create ruffles there at the front there. Just make sure you are careful with the office pin not to hurt your client or your model. So just look at what I'm doing, guys. Like that. Just look at so. Still using office pin to secure it. Just make sure you take your time. Sorry if you are hearing any sound though. It's baby Joshua that is sleeping beside me. I'm making this voice note at the night. So that is why. Sorry about that. So just using office pen like that. Then I'm adjusting it. Just look at our gele, it's already coming out beautiful. So like that. I wanted to create ruffles there, but later on I just remove it. Now decided let me just do pleating at the side there. So this is what I'm still doing. I do not want the plating to be too high because it will not fit her, it will not fit my model. Sorry about that too. So sorry about that. I was attending to a client and I don't know the video was still recording and I don't know how to like cut the video from it. So I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry, guys. Please. I'm so sorry. So here's the back. So that is it, guys. That is it about the video. That is it about the gele, guys. So it's not something that is hard. It's very easy to tie. Very easy to tie. Just make sure you should not use office pin to hurt your client. model. So that is it. Let me know what you think. Bye.